Welcome to Nandakchi channel. In this episode, I'm gonna make a poppy seed French toast for you. Let's get started. Water, sugar, active yeast. Add flour in several stages. Mix for a while until thickens completely. Leave overnight in the fridge. The next day, let it stay at room temperature for 40 minutes. Milk, sugar, olive oil, salt. Whisk a little. Pour on the dough. Flour. Poppy seeds. Knead until smooth. Grease the dough and the dish with a little olive oil. Leave it aside for 2 hours. Open the dough completely and roll it at the end. Put it in the loaf pan. Wrap it and leave it aside for 40 minutes. Brush with some milk and yogurt mixture. Bake in the oven for 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, that's it for today. Enjoy your fresh baking. Thank you for watching and happy baking.